Two best automated savings app part 2. The link to the part 1 is in the description of this video. So if you've not seen it, go ahead, watch the link, watch the first video, come back and watch this one, or watch this one and watch that one, so you compare and make a choice which one best fits your desire. First of all, you need to get ready your email address, your phone number, your debit card, and your BVN. You're going to need them to set up this account. Enter your email address and click on the Start Investing. And it takes you through the registration process. You put in your details, get the email address verified and all, and it takes you to your dashboard. As soon as you get to your dashboard, you see home, save, invest, explore, stash, and the rest of them. Go ahead and make a choice of clicking the save button, because that's what we're talking about. Take the first, which is the regular savings. Go ahead, click the create regular savings plan. As soon as you click that, it takes you to the next page. Next page asks you if you want to be debited automatically or you want to be putting your money by yourself. Go ahead and choose the automatic savings. Click on the continue, takes you to the next page where you select the frequency of your savings. Do you want it once a day, once a week, or once a month? Go ahead and choose one that suits you. Maybe you're a salary earner, you go for once a month. You're a business owner, you want it once a day or once a week. Whichever way you want it to be, go ahead and choose what your option is. The next page, you're putting in the amount of money you want to be saving. The minimum amount of money allowed to be saved there is 1,000 naira. So for practice purposes, we're choosing 1,000 naira. You can impute 20,000, 50,000, however amount of money, 5,000, whatever it is you desire. Hit the continue button. It takes you to the next stage where you select the duration of your savings. If you want it for 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, whatever the duration you want to choose, go ahead and choose it. And I'd like you to click on that interest rate breakdown. So you just take a look and have a feel of what you're expecting to get at the end of the day. For the interest rate breakdown, you can see that 3 months gives you 8% of your savings. 3 to 6 months gives you 9%. You could see 10%, 11%, and so on and so forth, as much as you want it to be. It is worthy of note that this regular savings plan can only take you to 2 years. If you want other plans that will take you longer than 2 years, well, you can explore other savings options. But we're doing a video for this regular savings plan. When you're there, you move to the next. As soon as you click continue, now you've gotten this. You just click on got it. Click on continue, and you move to the next page. Next page tells you about all you have selected, and it asks you to choose your payment method. As soon as you click that, it brings this up. Don't be afraid. Just click on the new card. It will minimize. If it minimizes, you go ahead to say create plan. Create plan. It shows you that you're about to be debited 1,000 naira. It's also worthy of note that if you wanted to add your card before you came to this place, you will be charged 100 naira for it. So why not just go ahead and do the savings and let your money be saved for you? So go ahead and say, okay, cool, and create plan. When you create plan, it will now take you to the page where you input your card details. As soon as you put your card details, you're good to go. Click on pay the 1,000 naira or the 5,000 naira, however amount you had selected before. Click on it and your savings plan is set up and ready. Do share this video if you find it interesting. Copy the link and send to your loved ones. Anyone who would want step-by-step guide on how to set up a savings automated savings plan, share this video with them, and please do subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.